Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can record our screen on Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s. All you need to do is access or open the quick access, so let's swipe from the top to the bottom one more time in order to see all these items, and then over here we can find a screen record option. If you don't have this, then you can tap on this pen in order to try to find it on the list of all apps or shortcuts. Then you can simply press and hold the screen recorder. Let's say this one is the screen recorder, and then you can drag and drop it somewhere to add it to these pages. Once you have the screen recorder, you can simply tap on it in order to start recording. Then you can choose if you want to record audio and if you want to see the touches on screen. So let's say I don't want to record audio, so I need to deselect it, and then I can also enable the screen touches. And then once we press start, after 3 seconds we will start recording the video. So let's tap start, and over here you can see the countdown at the top, and then we will see the icon of recording. So now whenever we do something on our phone, it will be recorded. Then if you want to stop it, you need to simply swipe from top to bottom once again to get the quick access and notifications. And then over here you have the stop button, so you can press stop, and there we go. Now we can immediately see the recording by tapping on the preview image, and there we go. Now we can see what we have done. We can tap once in order to, for instance, pause the video. To resume it, we also have the option to share, edit, and delete, and this is how it looks like. So let's say also we can tap on these three dots over here in order to see some more information about the recording, such as the location, I believe. Yeah, over here we have the location, we have the size of the recording, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!